Welcome to Farrukh Education Academy YouTube channel. Today's topic is English literature. Period in English literature from 1901 to 1910 is called _. The answer is C. The Edwardian period. Who called Chaucer the father of English literature? The answer is B. John Dryden. Which of the following periods of English literature came last? The answer is B. The Commonwealth period. The period of English literature from 1660 to the end of the century is called _. The answer is C. Restoration period. The first fire-breathing dragon in English literature occurs in which Old English epic poem? The answer is C. Beowulf. Which of the following 16th-century works of English literature was translated into the English language after its first publication in Latin? The answer is D. Thomas More's Utopia. Which was the oldest period in English literature? The answer is B. Anglo-Saxon. Who was the father of English literature? The answer is C. Geoffrey Chaucer. Who was the first great modernist of English literature? The answer is D. Beowulf. Which is called the Golden Period of English literature? The answer is A. Elizabethan Age. In addition to Geoffrey Chaucer and William Langland, the flowering of Middle English literature is evident in the works of which of the following writers? The answer is B. The Gawain poet. With which other poet did Samuel Taylor Coleridge founded the Romantic movement in English literature? The answer is C. William Wordsworth. Dominated English literature from the Restoration until the end of the 18th century with the emergence of Romanticism? The answer is D. Neoclassicism. The earliest surviving work in English literature is underscore. The answer is B. Caedmon's hymn. Which hero made his earliest appearance in Celtic literature before becoming a staple subject in French, English, and German literatures? The answer is B. Arthur. Which work of William Wordsworth, with the joint publication with Samuel Taylor Coleridge, helped to launch the Romantic Age in English literature? The answer is C. Lyrical Ballads. In which year Coleridge met poet William Wordsworth and his sister Dorothy, which later contributed Romantic movement to the English literature? The answer is C. 1795. Why is Caedmon's hymn important in the history of Old English literature? The answer is D. The poem is widely believed to be the first written poem in Old English. What is problematic about calling Beowulf part of Old English literature? The answer is D. There are no English characters in the poem. In addition to Geoffrey Chaucer and William Langland, the /flowering/ of Middle English literature is evident in the works of which of the following writers? The answer is B. The Gawain poet.
Which hero made his earliest appearance in Celtic literature before becoming a staple subject in French, English, and German literatures? The answer is B. Arthur. Which Governor-General decided to make English as the medium of instruction in India? The answer is D. Lord William Bentinck. Between which movements do historians situate literature in the Middle Ages? The answer is C. Roman departure and the Renaissance. In literature, some of Shakespeare's most powerful plays were written in that period, for example The Tempest, Lear, and Macbeth, as well as powerful works by John Webster and underscore. The answer is B. Ben Jonson. The Jacobean era succeeds the and precedes the Caroline era, and specifically denotes a style of architecture, visual arts, decorative arts, and literature that is predominant of that period. The answer is A. Elizabethan era. How did the interaction between the English and the Bretons affect literature? The answer is B. This interaction led to the influence of Arthurian legend on French literature. According to T.S. Eliot in his essay on tradition and the individual talent, which of the following is true of tradition? The answer is D and B only. Geoffrey Chaucer is also known as underscore 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 underscore. The answer is C, the father of English literature.